If you're on LinkedIn and you're trying to search for jobs and you want to find jobs with easy apply, then I'm going to show you how to find those jobs. So guys, this is a mobile tutorial, let me mention that. And the steps on the computer is pretty much the same, but you can also find this on my channel as well. So once you're on your mobile, guys, just simple tap on the job section here on LinkedIn. Go ahead and search for jobs. I'm going to search, for example, editing jobs. And here you will see here that at the top here, it shows the jobs and the location, and you see some options here, some filter that you can easily filter through. You have a filter icon towards the right, which you can also go ahead and filter as well. So you will be able to find all of those filters and it will show you. But in order to find jobs with the easy apply, just simple go ahead and click on easy apply at the top there, and it's going to become green here, and you will see that only jobs with the easy apply will be shown. So if you look on each of these jobs, you will see the LinkedIn icon and it's going to say easy apply, easy apply, easy apply. All of these jobs that are going to pop up here is going to be easy apply. And once you tap on those jobs, you have the easy apply option. What it basically is going to allow you to apply with your profile. So if you tap on easy apply, it's going to pop up and you just need to fill in your details, email, phone number, proceed with the steps. It's about 4 steps there at the top, and it's going to make it super easy for you to apply for jobs directly on LinkedIn. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.